Okay, so I'm pumped about this. I'm about to unbox here for you guys my 29-inch ultra-wide monitor from LG. I'm gonna tell you, for the price that you get this, it's really, really good. So here's the box. This is kind of how it looks. It says LG Ultra Monitor right there. Obviously, it's gonna be a wide monitor. So we're gonna open it up and see what comes in the box. Okay, so I just opened the box. So this is what you can expect right here. So here is the monitor, and it's well packaged, as you can see, to protect the screen and all that. Let's get it out. Okay, here's all the components. We're gonna get it out in a second. So you have the screen, you have some of the information right here, more stuff over here. One thing that I would tell you right away is that it comes with an HDMI cable. I did purchase one thinking that it didn't, but it does come with an HDMI cable. So let's unwrap all this. Okay, guys, we're almost there. Here's what we got. We got the monitor right there, and here's some of the other components that we have. Obviously, this is gonna be the plug to plug it to the power. You have the base right here. Couple other stuff. Again, here's the monitor right there. Let's put it together. So we're gonna put it together right here. Obviously, you have this part right here, which it has two holes. It's gonna go into this, and then we're gonna put the screws right there. Okay, you see it, that is on right there. Now we're gonna take this little section right here, which again is gonna give it that complete finish. And there you have it right there. This is gonna be the base that's gonna go on the bottom. If you notice, you have a screw right there, and it's just gonna bolt back to this section right here. And here you have it, guys. Ultra wide, 29 inches. This is kind of how it's gonna look. I'm gonna give you a quick look in a second. I'm gonna put it in my office. This is gonna be my main monitor right here. It does have a little bit of tilt, so you could tilt it forward, as you can see right there, and you could bring it back, obviously, but it does not have an up and down. Here's a look from this side right here. I'm gonna give you a look in the back. So this is the back right here, and as you can see, you have a couple HDMI, two HDMI. You also have one that is DPIN, I believe. You have headphones, and you have your regular power connection. So that's kind of what you have right there. Just a quick look to that. And a quick look from the back. Obviously, this one is silver and white, and you can kind of see it right there. This is kind of how it looks back here. Kind of see it right there. Let me give you a whole look right here. Very, very excited about this.